Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. First thing that you should do is to simply go and reboot your phone, so restart your phone. This can fix your issue. Or you can simply go and click on your WhatsApp application, then click on this eye icon. Then you want to go to storage. Then you want to go and click on clear cache. But here in my case, I do not have it, but you will find it in most probable case. So go just to storage and click on clear cache. And this will solve your issue. Now, if it's not solved, you can simply go back, open your Play Store, then search here for WhatsApp and make sure that you have the latest update. So here in my case, I have an update. So I just have to install it. Once you install the update, your issue will be fixed. Now let's say that you install the update, restarted your phone, cleared the cache, and you still have the problem. The next step is to uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. So to do so, you just have to click on the application, then drag it like so, and click on uninstall on the top left side right here. Then click on yes, and you're all done. And now let's say that you have done all these things and you still have the issue. You just have to open the WhatsApp, then go and click on these three dots on the top right side, then go and click on settings, then scroll down till you find here chats, tap on it. Then you want to scroll down till you find here chat backup, tap on it, then click on backup right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.